Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our sixth chapter, that is the weather, climate and adaptation. You know, habitat, a place where an organism live. अब ये organism live, no doubt, but there are a number of factors affected the organism. Number one, weather. Day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere is called as weather, and weather there may be number one, temperature. Second one, relative humidity. Humidity, you know, the presence of moisture in the atmosphere is known as humidity. The humidity is present today, and what is the maximum capacity it can hold the humidity, मॉइस्चर, उसका जो रेशो हो जाएगा मैक्सिमम से अभी कितना है, इसको दिस रेशो इज नोन एज रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी एंड इट इज मेजर्ड बाय द हाइग्रोमीटर. नेक्स्ट वन, रेनफॉल. रेनफॉल यू नो वेल, बरसात नहीं हो रही, गर्मी हो गई, बरसात हो जाएगी, एटमॉस्फेयर कूल हो जाएगा, सो इट इज रेनफॉल एंड रेनफॉल इज मेजर्ड बाय द रेन गेज एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट. नेक्स्ट वन, विंड स्पीड. हवा चलेगी अच्छा फील होगा, हवा नहीं होगी तो वी फील अनरिलीफ, स्लाइटली अनरिलीफ. सो दीज आर दी फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द वेदर: टेम्परेचर, रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी, रेनफॉल एंड विंड. नेक्स्ट वन, क्लाइमेट. द average weather pattern you can say for many years, or average atmospheric conditions about 25 years. This is known as climate. Weather, a small place. Climate of a large area. Rajasthan, climate of the Rajasthan. Climate of the desert. Climate of the Kashmir. Right? So next one, climatic factors. Number one, latitudes. Latitude, you know well, in the globe these are different latitudes. Next one, altitudes. As we go on the mountains there is high low temperature. शिमला जाएंगे कम टेम्परेचर मिलेगा. हमारे यहाँ पर शिमला में गया तो वहां पर लोग कहते हैं, मैंने कहा चल भाई हमारे साथ चल राजस्थान. वो कहते हैं सर मैं तो प्लेन पे जाऊंगा ही नहीं, मैदान में जाऊंगा ही नहीं, नीचे चला गया तो जल जाऊंगा, वहां बहुत गर्मी होती है. तो दैट्स व्हाई एल्टीट्यूड्स. नेक्स्ट वन, रिलीफ फैक्टर्स. रिलीफ फीचर्स मींस वेल माउंटेन्स, सम प्लेसेज हैविंग माउंटेन्स, सम प्लेसेज हैविंग वैलीज. नेक्स्ट वन, ओशन करंट्स. यू नो वेल, एंड यू हैव स्टडीड इन ज्योग्राफी पोर्शन. विंड पैटर्न. नेक्स्ट वन, वेजिटेशन एंड nearby water bodies. The places near the ocean, seas, they are moderate kind of the climate. They having moderate kind of the climate. Why? वहां पर ना ज्यादा सर्दी होती है ना ज्यादा गर्मी होती है. Moderate kind of climatic conditions. So these are the factors affecting the climate. Number one, latitude, altitude, relief feature, ocean current, wind pattern, vegetation and nearby water bodies. Now look, adaptations. The adjustment of the living organisms or special features in the living organisms to cope up with the surrounding, to cope up with the atmospheric conditions. Extreme atmospheric conditions, इनको तो हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, अपने आप को चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर ये चेंजेज adaptations taking too long time, hundreds of the year, maybe tens of the year, hundred of the year, but if sudden changes, this is known as acclimatization. जैसे हमारे डॉग होते हैं, अभी गर्मी का टाइम आया, डॉग की जो हेयर्स होते हैं वो शेड हो जाएंगे, डॉग हेयर्स शेड हो जाएंगे. ड्यूरिंग जैसे विंटर आएगी तो दे हैविंग लॉन्ग हेयर्स. दिस इज नोन एज एक्लीमेटाइजेशन. Adaptations may be structural adaptation, may having the special features like the birds having for flying, they have wings. The animals which run fast having hoof. So these are different kind of adaptations. We are having eyes in front of the face. Lion, tiger, they are carnivores. They need to focus on their target, so they have eyes in front. The turtles, उनको ज़्यादा चीज़ें देखनी होती हैं, कहीं कोई enemies आ तो नहीं रहा, तो they having eyes on the lateral sides. So these are structural adaptation. Next one, behavioral adaptation. To avoid the extreme climatic conditions, during desert animals, they come out during morning, evening, or even night. They do not come out during the daytime. They become nocturnals. Next one, physiological changes, physiological adaptation. Physiological adaptation means some of the plants, some of the plants having store water in their body, succulents. Animals having blubber, just a fatty layer just below the skin. This is the physiological adaptations. Now students, look adaptations in different animals. Number one, polar bear. Polar bear live in cold conditions, polar conditions, extreme harsh conditions, minus temperature, and the surrounding completely covered with the snow. So number one, fur, double layer of the fur, white fur to camouflage with the surrounding. Camouflage, hide in the surrounding. Next one, paws, large paws, so that it can move easily on the snow, and also it helpful in the walking. Next one, fat, a thick layer of the fat below the skin to prevent loss of heat from the body. Next one, it is nose. Nose, it can close its nostril so that it can live in water for a long time, and it also having a good sense of the smell. It can smell the seal, whale, dead seal from the long distance. Next one is the penguin. Penguin, polar bird, non-flight bird. It is white color on the belly, so it camouflage in the snowy background. Next one, thick layer of the fat below the skin. They huddle together to keep their body warm, ताकि body heat बाहर release ना हो कम से कम release हो. Next one, it has webbed feet to swim easily in water. Next one, the birds which live in the polar region, they migrate during the winter season to the other areas. हाँ, जैसे हमारे यहाँ भरतपुर में आते हैं. So these are migratory birds. Albatross, also known as champion bird, and next one, it travel thousands of the kilometer during migration. Siberian crane. Next one, adaptation in the camel. Camel, brown color to camouflage, hide it in the surrounding. Next one, it has padded feet so that it can move easily in the sand. It stores the food in its hump for a long time, and it can drink water a lot in large amount at a time, and it sweat very little. पसीना बहुत कम आएगा to conserve the water. Now, animals which living into the tropical rainforest. Red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog, green in color so that it can hide in the surrounding. Next one, it has red eyes to scare its enemy. It has sticky pads so that it can climb easily on the tree. Next one, lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque generally live on the trees, arboreal habitat. It do not come on the ground. सारा खाना पीना, फ्रूट्स वगैरह सब कुछ वहाँ ऊपर ही मिल जाते हैं. फ्रूट्स हैं, फ्लावर्स हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, lion, tiger and leopards. They are fast runner. They have eyes in front, so to catch their prey easily. Next one, monkeys. The monkeys which live into the tropical rainforest, they have long tail, and this tail wind up around the branch, and it can swing like this one. Next one, elephant. And elephant कहाँ मिलता है हमारे इंडिया में? केरला में. Elephant has long tusk, जो teeth होते हैं, modified to tusk and to tear the bark of the trees. Next one, it has long trunk to smell, good sense of the smell, and also used to hold different kind of materials. Next one, it has large ears, yes, to hear soft sound.